Hello everyone, welcome to my another YouTube video. Today I am going to show you how we configure a WhatsApp node and then we make simple n8n workflow through we get a reply on our WhatsApp. So before we configure a WhatsApp trigger node, we have to make an account on Meta, then we get credentials from the Meta account. So let's jump into the Meta's website and then I can show you how we can make an account here and then get credentials. For getting WhatsApp trigger credentials, we have to make an account in Meta developers Facebook account. So if you have not created an account in Meta developer, then you come here developers.facebook.com, create an account and then sign in and then this interface will be open. So here's the create an app. I already created an app, but I create an again to show you how we can make it. So I click on create app. So these interface will open and then you like I type app name here test n8n and here you put your email address, then click next. After clicking next, these options are available. I select other and then click on next. After next, I select for business, then next. So here, then after and then create it. So here successfully we have created the app. Then these are the another socials media apps you can also connect these. So for today I'm focused on WhatsApp. So here you can click on setup WhatsApp and to get credentials. So after clicking on setup WhatsApp, then just 1 second, okay, it's open. So here click on continue. Okay, so it said what it says do other things. Okay, so I think I already am create, so this is why it gives me warnings, but you then click on continue. After that you come here app settings and basic. So these app ID and app secret, so these are the two important credentials that we need to configure our WhatsApp node. So I copy these credentials and then I write in the credential WhatsApp credential node. So get back to our n8n workflow. After getting credentials of WhatsApp, click here and click edit. So you can paste the client ID here and client secret here. You can save it. After close this node, so here is I can get an agent node from here. You can search here and click agent, so this nodes will be show there and you can get this. So I can combine this node. So after this this is the model node. I choose your Anthropic account. You can choose any account if you want to connect OpenAI model. Then you come here and click here open AI. So you can also use node of OpenAI instead of Anthropic. So then you click connect this node, and after this I define here prompt message. Okay, so you are an helpful assistant, give reply to users according to below message parameter. So here is the text body. Actually, when we give message to our agent, then this body parameter, let's suppose I give hi message to our agent, then this body message give here, and if any message you give to the agent, then this comes into the body parameter. So this is why I use here body parameter. Our agent get the text under the body parameter and then reply according to this message. And after this, you can connect to this WhatsApp node. Then after this WhatsApp node, we use to reply. So here you can same credentials account use as we use in previous node, and then so this is the when you connect the WhatsApp credentials, this test number automatically show here. Then you select this, and then okay, when you then okay, say you let's suppose I run this node, and then okay, you see here these parameters. So let's suppose here okay, I receive hi, and then you can use from I this is the parameter. Okay, so this parameter from, so I use this number from which I get message. So then use text body. Okay, use this body here. So this is the where we get message our agent, and then this is the body. You after configure settings in such way, then save it and click. Okay, so now I am going to show you how it can work. So just give me 1 second, then I can open WhatsApp, and then I will click and then write message, and then it give replies to that message. Show you results. So now I execute this WhatsApp trigger node, and this is my agent number which provide me by developer's account. So I click here hi. Okay, then it get my message, and I run my node agent node, and then I run my reply message node. So now you can check here. So I send message here, WhatsApp trigger get that message, and then provide to this agent node, and then agent node get the hi message from body parameter by previous trigger WhatsApp node, and then it generate response according to this hi message, and then this message replies to our this WhatsApp thread where we conversation to our with our agent. So you can show result here. So for today that's it. Thank you.